Hello student, Namaste Sabajanlai. So in the previous lecture we have already covered algae and bryophyta. So today we are going to cover mnemonics for the examples of Pteridophyta. Mnemonics for the examples of Pteridophyta. That is, we are covering all the biodiversity stepwise. So today our turn is Pteridophyta. So let's move into the topic. So in Pteridophyta there are four classes. In Pteridophyta classified into four types. That is four classes. That is Sphenopsida, Sphenopsida, Pteropsida, and Coelopsida, and at the last we have Lycopsida, Lycopsida, Lycopsida. So these four are the classes of Pteridophyta, and in Pteridophyta there is no any mnemonics for the examples of Pteridophyta. I'll provide you the mnemonics to remember the classes of Pteridophyta, that is the name of Sphenopsida, Pteropsida, Coelopsida, Lycopsida, because these names are hard and important also. And later I'll provide the tricks for the examples also. So wait. So here, for the tricks to remember the classes of Pteridophyta, the trick is Spain, Spain's terrorist, Spain's terrorist is silly. Spain's terrorist is silly. That is, we have SPTERR, SI and LY. Here SP means Sphenopsida, SP means Sphenopsida. Then terrorist means Pteropsida. This Pteropsida. This here, this P is silent, so Pteropsida. And then we have SI. So SI means Coelopsida. Again P is silent, Coelopsida. And at the last we have LY. So LY means Lycopsida. So this is the trick to remember the classes of Pteridophyta. And now I'll provide the examples of these classes. Here in Sphenopsida, the examples is Equisetum. The examples is also very much important. Equisetum. In Pteropsida we have Pteris, Adiantum, in third we have Diopteris, that is Fawn, Diopteris, that is Fawn. And to remember the examples of Pteropsida, remember the trick as PAD, pad. So P means Pteris, A means Adiantum, D means Diopteris, and this Diopteris is very much important. And now let's move into Coelopsida. So in Coelopsida the examples is Coelotum, and as you know this Coelotum does not need any trick because the name is similar to its class name, that is Coelopsida and Coelotum. And in Lycopsida the examples is Saligenella, and Lycopodium. Lycopodium. Again, this Lycopodium is similar to the classes. So here you have to remember the examples of two classes only, because in Pteropsida I provided the tick pedipad, and this Coelopsida, and the examples is its name only. So you have to remember the examples of Sphenopsida and Lycopsida. That is, you have to remember only the name, only three name, that is Equisetum, Selaginella and Lycopodium. So my dear student, this all about the examples of Pteridophyta. The classes I'm providing the proper classes of every kingdom, that is plant kingdom. So take the screenshot and make the note properly. Take the screenshot, and thank you for the class.